Hey guys, Franklin Williams here from the Sterling. Talk to you a little bit about your ceiling fans in some of your rooms. So this is how we typically turn them on. You'll notice that there's no pull strings, or none that we can use. That's because everything you need is right here in the switch. This obviously turns on the switch, but this is actually how you adjust it. See how it's going slower? If I want to adjust it a little bit higher, you go back to higher. And if we want to turn it off, you just hit that switch.